Let me tell you how you can add any icon in your Power BI reports. Here's my Power BI. What you need to do is you need to add first thing is PPT, that PowerPoint you have to open. Once you will get your PowerPoint on your screen, you have to add a blank presentation, and in that blank presentation, you have to go and insert an icon. After inserting an icon, whichever icon you want out of it, you just have to select it. Suppose I want something, the search one, so you can just insert it. This is how it will look like. You can delete rest of the things. Yeah, so now you can right click on it and then save this image as a picture. And on Power BI, you can import the same picture. But make sure you make the save as a type as a PNG, because PNG is the best format that you can use on Power BI. I'm saving it on desktop. Then you have to go onto the Power BI. Then you have to, after getting everything, you have to insert an image on this using this image icon. You can select the image that you have and then open. You will get it in your report over here, just like this.
Yeah.